cannot become successful with the same version of you today. Every next level in your life will demand a different you. How big is the price you are willing to pay? Let me tell you something, success loves speed. Time is money, doesn't matter if you are rich or poor. Poor gets poorer and the rich gets rich. I changed this, I'm done with it. I come from a poor family and now I became rich. And my mission is to give this information to normal people. You are asking yourself why you are here today? If people like me don't come down for you, nobody will come down for you. You cannot come here and go away in the same way. You cannot take half decisions. Are you doing it or you don't? But if you don't get excited today, I don't know about what you get excited in life. Let me be the energy for you when you are tired. Let me be the light when you have darkness. Let me teach you this.